Please stand for the invocation from our CFO Hannigan. Pledge allegiance.
Gracious God, we ask for your blessing upon all gathered here tonight in our Salem County community. We are grateful for your guidance. We ask you to pray for and watch over the Mitchell-Riddle family. Also, please hear the special intentions each of us hold in our hearts. We ask this in Jesus' name. Amen.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Adequate notice pursuant to the Open Public Meetings Act has been given of this meeting by forwarding notice to the South Jersey Times and Elmer Times Company, and by posting notice in the Fifth Street Office Complex, and by filing notice in the offices of the Salem County Clerk and the Clerk of the Board, all having been done at least 48 hours in advance.
Roll call, please.
Director Laurie.
Here.
Deputy Director Taylor.
Here.
Commissioner Ramsey.
Here.
Commissioner Taylor is absent, or Timmerman is absent. Commissioner Collier.
Here.
We have a quorum, sir.
Thank you. Commissioners, what's your pleasure with the minutes?
Mr. Director, I make a motion we dispense with the reading of the minutes from the December 30th regular meeting and the January 7th reorganization meeting, and that the minutes are to be received, approved, and recorded in the minutes.
I'll second the motion, Mr. Director.
Thank you. I have a motion and a second. Is there any discussion? Hearing none, all in favor, please raise your right hand. And that's passed unanimous. Tonight we have some special recognitions, and our newly appointed, newly elected surrogate will do the honors. And we'll be presiding. Welcome, Mickey.
Thank you, sir. Can't stay away. Now, as I was wandering through some of the files, I was moving into my new office, it came to my attention that our staff was sworn in, much as we are, because of the gravity of the job that we do in that office. And also in reading through it, said they're appointed for 5-year terms by a surrogate and sworn in. So I thought with the new regime going on there, it was a great opportunity for all of you people to put some faces to the staff in the surrogate's office. Hopefully you're not going to need them personally, although I think Kathy wants to put you in a guardianship, so I have to wait on that. But that's what the motivation for this. I thought it was a great opportunity for you to meet them and them to meet you. So what I want to do, rather than, I certainly don't want to delay the meeting, but ends on the clock.
It is.
We'll have everyone come up and we'll do the oath of office for the jobs in the surrogate office. So let's start with our deputy surrogate, Christina Sparks. And Commissioner Collier, would you be kind enough? I know you've met before. I may make you do this for everyone. So if you place your left hand, raise your right hand, and
So we can all.
There's the camera right there.
is this
Angle towards me.
do-si-do?
There we go. Perfect. There we go. We got it.
Okay, so if you would please repeat after me. I, Christina Sparks,
I, Christina Sparks,
do hereby swear or affirm
do hereby swear or affirm
that I will support the Constitution of the United States
that I will support the Constitution of the United States
and the Constitution of the State of New Jersey,
and the Constitution of the State of New Jersey,
that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the same
that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the same
and to the government established in the United States
and to the government established in the United States
and in this state,
and in this state,
under the authority of the people,
under the authority of the people,
and that I will faithfully,
and that I will faithfully,
impartially,
impartially,
and justly
and justly
perform all the duties
perform all the duties
of the office of the Salem County Surrogates Court
of the office of the Salem County Surrogates Court
as deputy surrogate,
as deputy surrogate,
according to the best of my ability.
according to the best of my ability.
So help me God.
So help me God.
Yeah, that's what I have. So in order not to show favoritism, I'm going to do this the same way we did it in high school gym class, alphabetically by height. So we're going to start with Lisa Giovanetti. Place your left hand on the Bible, raise your right hand, repeat after me. I, Lisa Giovanetti,
I, Lisa Giovanetti,
do solemnly swear or affirm
do solemnly swear or affirm
that I will support the Constitution of the United States
that I will support the Constitution of the United States
and the Constitution of the State of New Jersey,
and the Constitution of the State of New Jersey,
and that I will bear true faith
and that I will bear true faith
and allegiance to the same
and allegiance to the same
and to the governments established
and the governments established
in the United States
in the United States
and in this state,
and in this state,
most importantly, under the authority of the people,
most importantly under the authority of the people,
and that I will faithfully,
and I will faithfully,
impartially,
impartially,
and justly perform
and justly perform
all the duties of the office
all the duties of the office
of the Salem County Surrogates Court
at the Salem County Surrogates Court
as special probate clerk,
as special probate clerk,
according to the best of my ability.
according to the best of my ability.
So help me God.
So help me God.
And that brings us to Denise McCarthy, unless I've ruined my alphabet. And kudos to them for coming in after work to do this.
I will be affirmed.
That's fine. Raise your right hand, repeat after me. I, Denise McCarthy,
I, Denise McCarthy,
do solemnly affirm
do solemnly affirm
that I will support the Constitution of the United States
that I will support the Constitution of the United States
and the Constitution of the State of New Jersey,
and the Constitution of the State of New Jersey,
that I will bear true faith and allegiance
that I will bear true faith and allegiance
to the same
to the same
and to the governments
and to the governments
established in the United States
established in the United States
and in this state,
and in this state,
under the authority of the people,
under the authority of the people,
and that I will faithfully,
and that I will faithfully,
impartially,
impartially,
and justly
and
perform
justly perform
all the duties
all the duties
of the office of the Salem County Surrogates Court
of the office of the Salem County Surrogates Court
as special probate clerk,
as special probate clerk,
according to the best of my ability.
according to the best of my abilities. Thank you.
Congratulations. We can make that
I can
happen.
do that.
Donna, last but not least. Actually, haven't you been there longer than anyone? There you go. We're a bad habit for her, I guess. Raise your right hand. Very good. I, Donna Rosenstock,
I, Donna Rosenstock,
do solemnly swear
Do
or
solemnly-
affirm
do solemnly swear or affirm
that I will support the Constitution of the United States
that I will support the Constitution of the United States
and the Constitution of the State of New Jersey,
and the Constitution of the State of New Jersey,
that I will bear true faith
that I will bear true faith
and allegiance to the same
and allegiance to the same
and to the governments established
and to the governments established
in the United States
in the United States
and in this state,
and in this state,
under the authority of the people,
under the authority of the people,
and that I will faithfully,
that I will faithfully,
impartially,
impartially,
and justly perform
and justly perform
all the duties of the office
all the duties of the office
of the Salem County Surrogates Court
of the Salem County Surrogates Court
as Special Deputy Surrogate,
as Special Deputy Surrogate,
according to the best of my ability.
according to the best of my ability.
So help me God.
So help me God.
Hopefully there are people watching at home and they'll get to know the faces as well and appreciate the wonderful work that the people do.
And I have those and I'll make copies for their personnel files and they, oh, okay, once they sign, once they're all signed, if I could have them, and then I will return them.
I'll have them do
Well,
that.
that's why I handed them to you earlier. so you can sign them.
See, she keeps telling me that she's my boss. She's giving me all this. Okay, well, I will go execute that. Thank you.
And thank you all for coming out, and you know that these are gonna show up in your office tomorrow, that's part of the downside.
Can't wait.
But
I would like to ask your staff if you're are you checking in every morning and checking out?
Don't you answer. Sir, you want to hear
I'm
from
not
them?
gonna tell you what time it
Keep an eye on them, girls,
Ladies.
ladies.
Yeah, that's pretty.
I'm sorry. Another food problem. All right, waiver the rules, I'd like to separate the 18 out of the waiver the rules. So the first one I can move, make them, see if we can waive the rules for A17, 19, and 20.
A17, resolution authorizing Salem County to enter into a cooperative purchasing system with TIPS USA interlocal purchasing system. A19, resolution rejecting all proposals and authorizing the re-advertisement for requests for proposals for railroad engineer. And A20, resolution making emergency temporary appropriations according to NJSA 40A:4-20.
Can I get a motion to waive the rules for those three resolutions?
Mr. Director, I make a motion that we waive the rules for those three resolutions.
I'll second the resolution.
Thank you, I have a motion and a second. All in favor, please raise your right hand. Yes, unanimous. Now I'd like to ask for waiver of rules on A18.
A18, resolution awarding contracts for engineering services for the county of Salem.
I have a motion to waive the rules. I need a motion to waive the rules on A18.
Mr. Director, I'll make that motion.
I'll second the motion.
I have a motion and a second. All in favor on waiving rules on A18, who roll call on that?
Deputy Director Taylor.
Can we have discussion first, or no?
Yes, you can.
So, but for point of reference, 18 as a resolution, if we do not approve the waiver, we have to hear this next one.
Yes.
I vote no.
I don't understand what we're waiting for. This came up ahead of time, the waiver, so we went by law, by the rule, we have to make sure that we acknowledge that it was not there last time. So it's a waiver, but insofar as the waiver, we have to approve the waiver before we hear it. So by not approving it, it gets the next meeting. It doesn't get approved, it doesn't come up for a bit.
Go ahead.
Director Rowley.
No.
Director, Commissioner Collier.
No.
Commissioner Ramsey.
No.
And Commissioner Timmerman is absent.
Commissioner Timmon will be arriving late. He's had 3 surgeries this afternoon and he's been working with robotics training and he will be here. We have public hearing and announcements and adoptions. A1,
A1, resolution of the first reading to fix the annual salary of the Salem County Board of County Commissioners.
can I get a motion to, and second for the introduction of resolution A1?
Yes, Mr. Director, I make a motion to approve this resolution.
I'll second the motion, Mr. Director.
Thank you. I have a motion and second. Any discussion? And for those that are in the audience, that motion is for a cost of living increase. Can I get a roll call, please?
Deputy Director Taylor.
Yes.
Commissioner Timmerman is absent. Commissioner Collier.
Yes.
Commissioner Ramsey.
Yes.
Director Laurie.
Yes. Public hearing and adoption is scheduled for February 4th, 2026, which is our next meeting. Correspondence, what's your pleasure for your general committee, commission minutes, and reports?
Mr. Director, I make a motion that following correspondence, department reports, and committee and commission minutes be accepted, filed, and be part of the minutes.
I'll second that motion, Mr. Director.
Thank you. I have a motion and second. Any discussion? Hearing none, all in favor, please raise your right hand. And that is also passed unanimous. Payments of bills and claims. Commissioners, what's your pleasure?
Mr. Director, I make a motion that all bills and claims, when properly signed and audited, be paid and charged to their respective accounts.
I'll second that motion.
Thank you. I have a motion and a second. Any discussion? Hearing none, all in favor, please raise your right hand. Passed unanimous. And Commissioners, your pleasure on the treasurer's report.
Likewise, I make a motion that the treasurer's report be received and filed, subject to audit, and that it be spread full and complete upon the minutes.
And I will second that motion, Mr. Director.
Thank you, both. I have a motion and a second on the treasurer's report. Any discussion? Hearing none, all in favor, please raise your right hand. Okay, on the resolutions for administrative committee, we will separate A3 and A10 and vote on those separately. If you would please go ahead with the administrative list.
A2, resolution declaring county-owned ambulances as surplus and unneeded property and authorizing the transfer of title to the Borough of Woodstown for the Department of Emergency Services for $1 each. A4, resolution authorizing the grant application for the New Jersey Department of Community Affairs fiscal year 2026 local recreation improvement grant. A5, resolution authorizing a memorandum of understanding salary agreement between the County of Salem and Rutgers Cooperative Extension, Rutgers, the State University of New Jersey. A6, resolution appointing members to the Salem County Advisory Solid Waste Council. A7, resolution authorizing the purchase of properties located at 24 Church Street and 8 Chapel Street, Piles Grove, New Jersey. A8, resolution disbanding the Salem County Board of Social Services with the County of Salem to provide these services effective date after July 1st, 2026. A9, resolution authorizing assignment and transfer of a contract from Gloucester County for expansion of medication-assisted treatment for inmates who have an opioid disorder. A10, resolution appointing a member to the Salem County.
Separate that.
Oh, I'm sorry. A11, resolution amending resolution 2026-0110, 010, designating county commissioner, member, and alternate for various boards, commissions, committees, and agencies outside of Salem County government for 2026. A12, resolution appointing a fund commissioner to the statewide insurance fund. A13, resolution appointing a risk management consultant. A14, resolution awarding contracts for providing temporary animal sheltering services for the members of the Salem County Joint Purchasing System, System Identifier 299SCJPS. A15, resolution accepting a successive bargaining agreement between the County of Salem, the Salem County Prosecutor, and Salem County Prosecutor Detective and Investigators Association, FOP Lodge Number 6. A16, resolution awarding a contract under New Jersey State-approved Contract 89851-M003 for software licenses and related services. A17, resolution authorizing membership in the Interlocal Purchasing System, TIPS. A19, resolution rejecting all proposals and authorizing the re-advertisement for requests for proposals for railroad engineer. A20, resolution making emergency temporary appropriations according to NJSA 40A:4-20.
Commissioner, you've heard the reading of the 17 resolutions. What is your pleasure?
Mr. Director, I make a motion we approve these administrative resolutions as read.
I'll second the motion, Mr. Director.
I have a motion and a second for the 17 resolutions. Any discussion? Hearing none, all in favor, please raise your right hand, and we are passed unanimous. We'll do separate. A3, if you please.
Resolution amending Resolution 2025-264, authorizing shared service agreements and memorandums of understanding for the provision of emergency medical services.
Commissioners, for the reading of that resolution, what is your pleasure?
Mr. Director, I make a motion we approve resolution A3.
Second the motion.
Thank you. I have a motion and a second. Any discussion? Hearing none, roll call.
Deputy Director Taylor.
Yes.
Commissioner Tillman is absent. Commissioner Collier.
Abstain.
Commissioner Ramsey.
Yes.
Director Lauren.
Yes. We'll go forward with A10, please.
A10. Resolution appointing a member to the Salem County Board of Social Services, John Manganello.
You're the reading of that resolution. What is your pleasure?
Mr. Director, I make a motion we approve this resolution.
I'll second that motion, Mr. Director.
Thank you. I have a motion and a second. Any discussion on A10? Hearing none, roll call.
Deputy Director Taylor.
Yes.
Commissioner Tillman is absent. Commissioner Collier.
Abstain.
Commissioner Ramsey.
Yes.
And Director Lauren.
Yes. Thank you. Public safety, please.
B1, resolution approving a shared service agreement between the Salem County Prosecutor's Office and the Cumberland County Prosecutor's Office for implementation of a mental health year diversion program.
Commissioners, for the reading of that one resolution, what is your pleasure?
Mr. Director, I make a motion we approve this one resolution.
I'll second that motion, Mr. Director.
Thank you, Commissioners. I have a motion and a second. Is there any discussion? Hearing none, all in favor, please raise your right hand. That's unanimous. A little slow there, Paul.
Deputy Director distracted.
Oh, that's okay. My fault.
Health and Human Services.
C1, resolution amending resolution 2025-309 to reduce the award amount for the Enhancing Local Public Health Infrastructure Partner Organization Grant. C2, resolution applying for the Rural Health Transformation Program 2026 Advancing Prevention and Workforce Capacity Grant. C3, resolution approving a memorandum of understanding between the Salem County Department of Health and Human Services and the Salem County Improvement Authority to assist with annual maintenance fee for DHD system. C4, resolution accepting the Salem Health and Wellness Mini Grant Program. C5, resolution accepting and executing a grant for the 2026 Comprehensive Alcoholism and Drug Abuse Services Contract. C6, resolution awarding contracts for providing substance use disorder treatment services for the Salem County Division of Mental Health and Addiction Services. C7, resolution to apply for the Department of Human Services Division of Aging Services Senior Wellness Pilot Program Grant. C8, resolution accepting the 2026 Senior Citizens and Disabled Residents Transportation Assistance Program grant funding. C9, resolution accepting and executing the Medicare Improvements for Patients and Providers Act MIPA 2025 Medicare Special Benefits Outreach and Enrollment Assistance Grant.
Commissioners, third reading of these 9 resolutions. What is your pleasure?
Mr. Director, make a motion to approve resolutions C1 through C9.
I second that motion.
Thank you. A motion and 2 seconds.
Second.
Any discussion? Hearing none, all in favor, please raise your right hand. And it's passed unanimous. Public Works Committee.
D1, resolution accepting and executing a grant from the New Jersey Department of Transportation for the fiscal year 2026 Transportation Alternatives Set Aside Program funding for the 2025 Salem County Railroad Multi-Use Path Phase 1.
Commissioners, reading of D1. What is your pleasure?
Mr. Director, I'd like the motion to adopt resolution D1.
Mr. Director, I'll second that motion.
Thank you. I have a motion and a second. Any discussion? Mention anything about that? Okay. No discussion. All in favor, please raise your right hand. Passed unanimous. Commissioners, do we have any old business? Yeah, the old business just left. Commissioners, any new business? Commissioners, any public announcements? Anything I can announcements you want? No? No. Paul?
Anything?
Well, we have snow this weekend.
Watch out, snow. Rabies clinic, North Street, all residents, county residents are invited. Free vaccination Saturday, cats at 10, dogs at 11. Yeah.
Why are the cats first?
There's not, I don't know. That's the way it was when we got there. I'll tell you. Let's see, in addition, we have Saturday, January 24th, in the rabies clinic, 10 to 1 in Pittsburgh Township. And before our
That's this Saturday too?
next Saturday,
Okay.
following Saturday. Yeah, Saturday. This is not correct.
The dates, okay,
No, I'm sorry. Saturday, this Saturday is Pittsburgh. Next Saturday is Elsinboro, Iowa, and then it's Colorado. So Saturday, 24th is Pittsburgh. Saturday, January 31st.
And then there'll be more municipalities after that, but.
They are free. They are free for all county residents. Actually, they may be free for everybody.
I think it's free for everybody. You don't have to be a county resident. And next year I won't become a county to use that.
And Mr. Director, I want to mention that the South Jersey Farmers Summit meeting is February 5th. I know that's a day after, the other day after our next meeting. I believe that it's fairly well attended already, but it's a great event for farmers and the like. I know our solicitor will be speaking at this event as well. So it's February, it's an all-day event on February 5th.
Excellent. It's a good program. Last year it was excellent, really excellent this year again. As far as the announcements, we have snow coming. I've heard from 1 inch to 18 inches. So it's going to probably be somewhere in there. But the county is ready. They started today in the plans. The salt barns are full with what they need to handle the storm. And anything else, Ed? Other words?
Let's hope for an inch.
Yeah.
I have my flashlight.
And I picked a fine year to sell my snowball. Not good. Anything from the public? Please step forward, state your name and your address.
My name is Jennifer Thomas. I'm at 262 Buckhorn Road in Lower Albies Creek.
And I apologize, I really need to talk up.
Or put the mic down to your mouth.
Let me look at my notes here. Okay, can you hear me?
Perfect. Yep.
Okay. Do you need me to repeat my name?
Please,
Sure, Jennifer Thomas, Lower Eloise Creek.
I know you're mayor, your old mayor, good guy. Go ahead.
He's not too shabby.
Thank you.
South Jersey Preservation publishes a monthly newsletter, and we've experienced a rapid increase in readership in part due to Stacy Pennington, clerk of the board's ongoing support and guidance. Stacy is a key partner in helping to select important topics. She provides guidance and context in how to best frame information to ensure accuracy. The net result is improved trust and transparency between Salem County government and county residents. Thank you, Stacy, for your ongoing support. It has been essential to our success in providing meaningful information to our viewers. Yeah, we really appreciate that. Thank you.
You're doing a great job.
Oh, well, I appreciate it too. The Salem County Commissioner meetings are live streamed and archived on YouTube. This benefits residents in many ways, including providing meeting access for residents who cannot attend meetings in person for a variety of reasons. Municipalities across Salem County have expressed interest in also providing this service to their residents, but have expressed concerns about affordability, understanding how to set up a video recording system, and are unclear on other potential implications. Stacy Pennington and Mariel LeBoy have been discussing how to support municipal clerks in this endeavor and have even floated the idea of hosting a roundtable discussion with clerks to address the challenges. Again, thank you, Stacy and Mariel, for your work in this area, and I'm really excited to see where this goes. Yeah. Thirdly, we have received communication from some Gloucester and Cumberland County commissioners expressing an interest in a cross-county coalition, starting with Salem, Gloucester, and Cumberland counties, where select commissioners from each county can meet and discuss opportunities and challenges facing their respective counties and support each other in these areas. This type of ongoing partnership can bring many benefits, including increased presence and influence in Trenton, stronger lobbying power, increased legislative influence, we can better address regional disparities related to the North Jersey, South Jersey divide, and we can enhance political leverage. It is our hope that the Salem County Commissioners will consider this opportunity, and we look forward to hearing from any of you who would like to discuss this further.
Okay.
Just a couple more things.
Okay, fine.
I'd like to thank Commissioners Taylor and Timmerman and Sylvia Ostrom for attending and speaking at our Salem County Cross Municipal Advocates meetings. Salem County Cross Municipal Advocates is a group of residents from across Salem County who meet on a monthly basis to discuss pressing opportunities and concerns of their municipalities. And we work together to find ways to address concerns and support closer relationships between municipalities. Your support has been greatly appreciated, so I appreciate that. I'd also like to thank Commissioner Timmerman and Sylvia Ostrom for attending and speaking at the South Jersey Preservation Mingle and Jingle hosted at Farmers and Bankers Growing. We hosted this party to launch business and marketing tools for South Jersey businesses, including a small business directory, an online discussion forum for collaborating and sharing information and ideas, and a regional app focused on small businesses, tourism, agritourism, and farming. Thank you again for your time and dedication to our community. Lastly, congratulations, Commissioner Collier, on your recent appointment. It's great to see LAC represented on the board, and we're going to miss you as our mayor. So that's all for tonight, and I appreciate your time.
Thank you. Thank you. Is that your mom? Yes. Great job. Anyone else from the public, please step forward. Okay, so we're going to, our next meeting date is February 4th at 6 o'clock right here. And we do have a closed session. I anticipate it lasting no more than 15 minutes. You're welcome to, I guess, Where are we gonna go, the car?
Did I come upstairs
There's stairs back here, you're welcome to sit there if you would like, and then let you know when it's time to come in. Can I get a motion to go to closed session? Wait, we got to make a resolution first.
Resolution authorizing executive session, County of Salem, matters relating to litigation, negotiations, and the attorney-client privilege.
I'll make that motion.
Thank you. I'll second the motion. A motion and a second, any discussion? Hearing none, all in favor, please raise your right hand, and that's passed unanimous. Thank you, everyone, for attending. We'll be back in 15 minutes. We do not anticipate any motions coming out of closed session. So if you want to hang around for the more riveting, it won't be there. We don't anticipate it.